These are the video instructions for today's connections assignment. If you saw both days of the movie, you should be doing the one called The Greatest Showman at the top. If you weren't able to see both days of the movie, you'll be choosing the one called CLAM Lessons. The idea is almost the same for both of them, but let's go through it. For the one on The Greatest Showman, here are your characters right up here just for your reference. Your directions are to click the title of each CLAM lesson to read a brief synopsis, then explain in the connection column over here where you saw examples of those concepts in the movie. So for example, if we click on BU and it brings us down here, it's going to tell us all about what the BU CLAM lesson was about. And so you're going to read that. So you bring back to your memory what it was about. Then you need to tell me where you saw this concept in the movie. Stop trying to be like everyone else. You can see, I mean, that was a big part of the movie where these people who weren't accepted by others, they were going to be themselves no matter what. So right under the BU, you might say something like, when they sang the song, "This Is Me." And that's where you saw that. You're going to do the same thing for all the rest of these, okay? Read about it first, about what it was to bring back to your memory what it was about, and then tell me up here where you saw an example of that in the movie. The other one is almost the exact same thing, okay? But instead of telling me where you saw it in the movie, you would explain in the connection column where you've seen an example of those concepts in real life or somewhere else, anywhere else you've seen examples of those.